Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at an interesting accessory for what's described as the DJI Neo drone. It's a quick-release tail wing designed to attach to the rear of the drone. The main idea behind this dynamically designed tail is to help the drone's body cut through the air more efficiently. The manufacturer claims this reduction in air resistance can actually accelerate the flight speed of the drone, which is a pretty bold claim for a small accessory like this. The design is specifically intended to help the fuselage slice through the airflow, minimizing drag at the rear. Beyond just speed, it also serves a protective function. The description mentions that this tail wing can effectively prevent the ground from scratching the fuselage, particularly if the drone happens to drop or land roughly on its rear. It acts as a buffer or a point of contact that keeps the main body slightly elevated or protected during such incidents. We're looking at the gray version today, although it apparently comes in orange, black, and white as well, giving users a few options to match their drone or personal preference. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 8 grams. That's barely anything, so it shouldn't add significant burden to the drone's payload or flight time, which is always a concern with drone accessories. Being a quick-release design means it should be easy to attach and detach, which is convenient if you only want to use it for certain types of flight or transport. Adding a tail wing to a drone isn't something you see every day, especially on quadcopters, as their stability is primarily managed by the propellers and flight controller. This accessory seems focused purely on aerodynamic efficiency and rear protection, rather than flight stabilization. The core claims here are about reducing drag and increasing speed. Whether a small tail wing can significantly impact the aerodynamics of a multi-rotor drone like the Neo is something that would require testing in real-world conditions. The idea is that it streamlines the rear airflow, potentially allowing for faster forward flight. The protection aspect seems more straightforward. Having something extending from the rear could indeed act as a buffer during a rear-first impact or landing, potentially saving the fuselage from scratches or minor damage. So, you got an accessory that aims to do two things: potentially boost your drone's speed by reducing drag and offer some rear-end protection. It's lightweight, comes in different colors, and features a quick-release mechanism for easy installation and removal. For owners of the DJI Neo drone, this offers an interesting option to potentially tweak performance and add a layer of physical protection to the fuselage, all in a small, lightweight package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.